Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a fantasy map with Inkarnate on your browser. Here we go. You can try to open inkarnate.com and turn your ideas to incredible fantasy maps with Inkarnate easy to use online map making platform. So here ideal for game master, fantasy author and map enthusiasts. Here is this your hobbies to create map. This is like best platform for you, so you can turn your idea into incredible fantasy map here. So like world maps, regional maps, city and village maps, science fiction maps, interior maps, battle maps, and so on. Here we go, this online map making tool for creators like you. So you can try it by try the explore the free version here for practicing. You can sign up with Facebook or with Google. After sign in, you can start creating your first map. Here there is a 250 assets of fantasy battle maps. This is for free, and this is the pro edition. Of course, this is a new fantasy world for free, and there is free a pro version. You can try to choose the map first. You can choose the style first. For example, this one regional free, and you can try to choose the style. There is a 107 free assets. You can click on choose style. You can only choose landscape. I try to the low one because this is free, and click on create map. So feel free to try to create your own map in inkarnate.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.